Hello and welcome to this video on Operation Zarb-e-Azb in Pakistan. The operation was launched in 2014 by the Pakistani military against terrorist organizations operating in the country's northwestern region. The operation was launched in response to a series of terrorist attacks that had taken place in Pakistan, including the attack on an army school in Peshawar in December 2014, which resulted in the death of over 140 people, most of them children. The main objective of the operation was to eliminate the terrorist threat in the country, particularly from the Taliban and other extremist groups operating in the tribal areas along the Pakistan-Afghanistan border. The operation aimed to dismantle the infrastructure of these groups and destroy their hideouts and training camps. The operation had a significant impact on the security situation in Pakistan, with the military successfully targeting and eliminating a large number of terrorists and destroying their infrastructure. The operation also helped to restore a sense of security and stability in the affected areas, allowing people to return to their homes and resume their normal lives. The operation faced several challenges, including the difficult terrain and the presence of civilians in the affected areas. The military had to undertake significant efforts to ensure that civilians were not caught in the crossfire and that their rights were protected. In conclusion, Operation Zarb-e-Azb was a significant military operation that had a profound impact on the security situation in Pakistan. The operation was successful in targeting and eliminating terrorist groups and restoring a sense of security in the affected areas. However, it also faced several challenges and highlighted the need for a comprehensive approach to addressing the root causes of terrorism. Thank you for watching.